Hi everyone, welcome again to this YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'd like to discuss the general concepts of proposal and conspiracy to commit a crime. So if you have remembered, Article 8 of your revised penal code, it defined there the proposal and conspiracy. So by definition, proposal is when a person proposes the execution of an act that is in violation of the law to another person. So in that sense, it only takes one person to propose. Conspiracy, on the other hand, it takes two or more persons. Because by definition, conspiracy is when two or more persons come to an agreement to commit a crime. So that's conspiracy. So the question is proposal or conspiracy considered a crime? Following the definition that we have given, the proposal and conspiracy. So Article 8 states that generally, proposal and conspiracy to commit a crime are not in itself punishable. Except, the exception to that is when the law, whether RPC or special law, specifically provides that mere conspiracy and mere proposal is already punishable. Why is that? Because if we go back again to the definition of a crime, it is an act or omission punishable by law. So the act there in the definition of the crime should be considered an overt act. So with that, the proposal and conspiracy, there's no actual or commencement of the commission of the crime yet. That is why I would understand that Article 8 provides that no, it's still preparatory. It's still under the level of preparatory. So with that, it would not tantamount to an act under the definition of crime, except when the law specifically provides that a person who proposes the execution of the crime to another is already a crime, and or when two or more persons come to an agreement, even if there's no commencement of what was agreed upon yet, if the law states that it's already a crime, then that would tantamount to a crime. So under the revised penal code, I have this mnemonic CRIST, CRIST. So mere conspiracy for these particular crimes are already punishable. So CRIST, C for kudita, R for rebellion, I for insurrection, but we don't have insurrection as of the moment, sedition, and treason. That's CRIST. So when when two or more persons come to an agreement to commit kudita, to commit rebellion, to commit sedition, to commit treason, that conspiracy alone is already considered a crime under the revised penal code. In fact, mere proposal of these crimes, even if one person merely proposes the execution to another person under the revised penal code, that already tantamounts to a crime of proposal to commit kudita, proposal to commit rebellion, treason. Sedition, on the other hand, the RPC provides that there's no penalty for the proposal to commit sedition is not a crime, but what is a crime is the conspiracy to commit sedition. So that's the one concept of the proposal and conspiracy. So in that category or in that type of proposal and conspiracy, there's no acts commencement of the actual crime yet. What is there is merely an agreement, or in case of proposal, one person proposes its execution to another.